Hi, this is Simon welcoming you to 27 Jalan Bukit Pelangi. This is the spacious living room with mirror, followed by a big marble table and space for an altar, and then the stairs leading up to upstairs. Behind the stairs is the kitchen with a double stainless steel sink, and then there's a rear gate, and behind this is a washing machine, and at the back here is a matured neighborhood of 10 years with trees well grown. Downstairs there is a bathroom toilet with an outside sink and a fourth bedroom downstairs, which is good for elderly. There's a single bed here and curtains and table, and this room has also ceiling fan and light. Going upstairs, there's a large landing here with ceiling fan and lights. And the highlight of this house is the spacious master room with wardrobe, queen bed, lights, ceiling fan, aircon, and a large window with curtains looking to the neighborhood. The master room also have an ensuite, and all three bathrooms in this house has hot water heater with pump, WC and basin. Next to the landing, there are two more bedrooms at the back. And we are now walking to bedroom number 2, which is the second largest room. Every room has a wardrobe, aircon, ceiling fan, lights, bed with mattress. This is a queen size bed. The third room also has a queen size bed, aircon, wardrobe, and behind this curtain is the shared second bathroom with the second bedroom. This bathroom also has hot water heater and is linked to the second bedroom. This house is 22 feet by 70 feet and has a build-up of 2,000 square feet, about 1,000 upstairs and 1,000 downstairs, and is in a matured neighborhood. It's a cul-de-sac, so you don't get any through traffic, and also the sun is blocked by the shade of this tree and the apartments at the back. If you like this video, please call Simon at 012-481-6699, and thanks for watching. Bye.